day, year ones. Get your English activity pack out and start with your spelling words for today. Okay, once you've completed your spelling practice, let's look at what we have to do for Tuesday. Open your activity book up on Tuesday. Okay, we are reading. There's a reading comprehension called New Friends. So we have to read the extra part of the story, The Dreaming Tree by Anthony Massey. Amanda was jumping up and down. She wanted to talk to Vovo. Let your sister have a go on the phone, said his mother. This is costing Vovo a fortune. Amanda got it on the telephone to her grandmother. She told her all about her new friend. Her new friend was called Aoife. Tomorrow, Amanda was going to Aoife's birthday party. When she got off the phone, she wanted to show Roberto and their mother the new dance she learned at school. You are showing off, said Roberto. Amanda didn't care what he said. She kept smiling and dancing. She is not showing off, said his mother. Amanda is a good dancer. You are good at football. Why don't you show the boys at school how good you are? It's okay to be proud of what you can do. I'm proud that I'm such a good gardener. Roberto's mother was a very good gardener. Even though there was no garden in the apartment. There was a balcony. Roberto's mother had filled it with lots of bright flowers. It was the brightest balcony in the block. Roberto's mother loved bright colors. She made Roberto wear blue and red and yellow shirts. Roberto hated to look different from everyone else. Now, you, year ones, have to circle the correct answer to each question. Okay? Circle the correct answer to each question. Number 1. When is Amanda going to the birthday party? Is it today, tomorrow, next week? Circle only one. Number 2. What does Roberto's mother say Roberto is good at? Is it dancing, talking, or football? 3. Who is a good gardener? Is it Roberto's mother, Amanda, or Roberto's grandmother? Now we move on to part B. What did Amanda want to do after she got off the phone? Choose the correct answer and complete the sentence. Okay, so you either choose the first, the second, or the third one. And then you write it, year ones, on this line so that it completes the sentence and add your full stop. Okay, then for part C. Why do you think Roberto tells Amanda she is showing off? Year one, you write one sentence or two sentences where you tell me what you think, okay? And then you've got a word search. Okay, for this word search, you just have to find the words with the AR letter group, okay, from the story on the previous page. So from the story we just read. So here are the words. We've got party. Find the word party, okay, and circle it. Learned, care, are, gardener, where. That is all you have to do for English. Oh, don't forget your handwriting. Before you close your books for English, you must practice your handwriting in your handwriting book, okay? Or in the exercise book that you have at home. This pattern you should do till the end of the page, okay? Then we move on to your maths. So get your maths out and open up on Tuesday. Welcome back, year ones. I hope you have your maths open on Tuesday. So we are still looking at measuring weights with or in kilograms. Year one, for this math activity, you count the weights and you write the number in there. Here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got 6 kilograms here, one. So you will write the number 6 in here. Okay, and you do the same for the others. Then answer the question at the bottom. Which object is the heaviest? Okay, right. Which of the objects weighed the heaviest? And last question, which object is the lightest? Okay, that is all for your maths. We move on to science. Get your science out and open up on Tuesday. We're still looking at birds. Now, here all you have to do is use the word bank to complete each sentence. The word bank is over here. Use these words to complete the sentences. Then, when you're done with that, color the bird and draw your own bird down here. Okay, that is all you have to do. Then we read some facts about birds. Okay, here we've got a flamingo. We know that they're excellent flyers and that they love algae, microscopic organisms, and crustaceans. Okay, now color this in and then you close your science activity book and I will be back tomorrow.